the three things I love most about the new Edge handheld label printers. One, the hand strap. The hand strap allows you to carry the label printer around without worrying about the machine dropping out of your hands. The second thing I like most about the Edge handheld label printers is the database. The database feature allows you to import your spreadsheets so you're not recreating data, causing errors, increasing your efficiency. That database feature, you can go ahead and print that same exact data with cable wrap, cable flag, patch panel, and so forth. The third thing I love most about the new Edge handheld label printers is that USB charging port. Makes it so much easier. You no longer have to rely on that AC power adapter. You can plug into the wall, into a power bank, and charge it from virtually anywhere. Those are the three things I love most about the new Edge handheld label printers.